Hi guys, welcome back to the Head Falconer. As always, if you haven't subscribed, please do. This is just a little video from the other month. We were out with Blue. We managed to dodge a few showers and get out. It's still a cold day, but we managed to get out and let Blue stretch his wings. So it's just a few clips of that. I am getting back into making more videos, like I said in my last one. We've got plans for things like how to feed a bird, how to pick a bird up. We've done the equipment and so on, but we're looking, we've been filming over the last few weeks of training the birds or retraining the birds, fitness to the birds. So we've got a lot of videos coming up for you guys this year. So please do enjoy.
Saw the water where they drown their sorrows. Pacific lovers in motion. They keep on talking about tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. California dreaming may just be a feeling when everything is out of reach. All the pretty people are looking pretty equal now. Stars burn bright outside the city limit, where the canyons are empty. Lonely nights lit by lonely companions, in a sweetness and release. I thought I saw you hiding in the shadows. You were holding the answer. Everybody's talking about themselves. California dreaming may just be a feeling when everything is out of reach. All the pretty people are looking pretty equal now. All the pretty people are floating like they won't come down. Always wait for the dust to settle before you tell me you miss me. California dreaming may just be a feeling when everything is out of reach. All the pretty people are looking pretty equal now. California dreaming may just be a feeling when everything is out of reach. All the pretty people are looking pretty equal now.
So hopefully you enjoyed that little short video of just a few clips of myself and Dan out with Blue. Like I said in the beginning, we are filming more in-depth videos. We're doing more videos of, like I say, what we do, how we do it, so feeding the birds, training the birds, and things like that. So if you're interested in seeing that, please do subscribe, and then you'll be the first to see them. But as always, guys, if I don't see you again, please do enjoy yourselves, and thanks very much for watching. Cheers.